Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about starting your own AI agency in 2025. And let me tell you, this is the perfect time to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries, and businesses are scrambling to stay ahead of the curve. Today I'm going to walk you through 5 proven ways to start your own AI agency in 2025. Whether you're a tech expert or just getting started, there's a path here for you. Let's jump right in. The first way to start an AI agency is to niche down and specialize. AI is a broad field, so instead of trying to do everything, focus on a specific industry or problem. For example, you could create an AI agency that specializes in AI-powered customer service for e-commerce brands, predictive analytics for real estate investors, healthcare diagnostics using machine learning. By specializing, you'll stand out in a crowded market and attract clients who need your exact expertise. Plus, it's easier to build a reputation as the go-to expert in your niche. Next up, partner with AI tool providers. In 2025, there will be even more powerful AI tools available, and you don't need to build everything from scratch. You can start an agency that leverages tools like OpenAI's GPT models for content generation, Google's Vertex AI for custom machine learning solutions, Microsoft Azure AI for enterprise-level applications. Your role: become the middleman who helps businesses implement and customize these tools. You'll save time on development and focus on delivering value to your clients. Not a coder? No problem. The third way to start an AI agency is to offer consulting and strategy services. Many businesses know they need AI but have no idea where to start. You can help them identify AI opportunities in their industry, develop a roadmap for AI integration, connect them with the right tools and developers. This is a low-cost way to start because you don't need to build or maintain any AI systems. Your expertise and guidance are the product. If you have technical skills, the fourth option is to build custom AI solutions. This is where you create tailor-made AI tools for businesses. For example, a chatbot for a law firm to automate client inquiries, a recommendation engine for an online store, a fraud detection system for a financial institution. In 2025, businesses will pay a premium for custom solutions that solve their unique problems. If you can deliver, this is a highly profitable path. Finally, the fifth way to start an AI agency is to create AI-powered products. Instead of offering services, you can build your own AI tools and sell them to businesses or consumers. Think about a SaaS platform for automated social media content creation, an AI tool for small businesses to analyze their financial data, a productivity app that uses AI to optimize workflows. Once you've built the product, you can scale your agency by selling subscriptions or licenses. This is a more long-term play, but the potential rewards are huge. And there you have it, 5 ways to start an AI agency in 2025. Whether you niche down, partner with tool providers, offer consulting, build custom solutions, or create your own products, the opportunities in AI are endless. The key is to start now. The AI industry is growing fast, and 2025 will be here before you know it. So pick a path, take the first step, and start building your AI agency today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on starting and scaling your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.